Watching videos is something that we love to do, and we spend a lot of time doing it while on the couch, in bed, or wherever we are. But what if you can actually get paid just by watching videos? Take note, you can make as much as $95. What a great deal! This money making website for beginners will surely be trending in 2022. Only a few people know about this website for now, so you have more chances of making money online right now by watching videos as a beginner. To make that happen, you have to watch this video all the way till the end for you to see how you can get paid just by watching videos. This video is totally for beginners who want to earn and make money online in 2022. So keep watching. But before anything else, welcome back to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your Online Money Girl, and I teach people all over the world the latest tips and trends on how to make money online, even as beginners, regardless of background and expertise. If you're into that, please tap the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell icon so you'll always be in the loop for the latest money-making news. If there are some online earning opportunities from home that you would like us to feature, let me know in the comments below. Now, let's start your money-making journey. This website that I'm going to show you is something that doesn't pay you through gift cards, coins that can be converted into cash, or rewards. But rather, this website gives you cold cash directly on your PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, make sure to create one after this video so you can start making money online by watching videos using this website that I'm going to show you. This is completely free and available to everyone worldwide. So, what are you waiting for? Create your PayPal account now so you can be qualified to earn by watching videos in 2022. So let's get down to business. This website is called cashkick.com. That's cash with a K. This is absolutely free and will pay you real money directly to your PayPal account just by watching videos online. Right now, I want you to open your browser and search cashkick.com. Once you click it, this will take you to their sign-up page. But before I tell you how to sign up for a free account, I want you first to notice these other offers that this website has for beginners to make money online. On your left side, you can see their work offers like answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and surfing the web. But on this website, I will be showing you how to earn money online by watching videos. So stay tuned for you to never miss out on this opportunity. As you scroll down a little bit, you can see the steps on how you can make money out of this website. The steps are so easy. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. The first one is to find and complete your mission. The second step is to watch the earnings grow in your account. And finally, the third step is to cash out early, easily, and often. So that's it. As easy as 1, 2, 3. As you scroll down some more, you can actually see and read different testimonials of several people who have been making money online using this website. But that doesn't stop there, because if you stay with me for the entire video, I will show you 2 other websites that can give you real money online. So make sure to watch this video all the way till the end. Before we get into this next website, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified of the future money-making websites that we're going to share. Going back to their login page, as I have said a while ago, you need to first sign up to this website so you can create your free account. And by doing so, just enter your email address and create your password. Then click Get Started Now. And once you're done signing in, you can now start earning money by watching videos. Since we love our dear subscribers, I'm going to tell you 2 other websites that can surely give you more ways to make money online in 2022 just by watching videos. These websites are also completely free and hassle-free. So the second website is called cretonsreward.net. Just open your browser and search for this website. Once the website is loaded, you can see their login page immediately, and as you can see here at the top of the page, there's a blue flag that says $5 bonus. Yes, Once you're successfully logged in, you will get a free $5 bonus. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see how you can be paid here on this website. You can earn points and redeem it in real cash. So as you can see, you can take daily surveys, shop online, explore websites, and of course, watch videos. To sign up, just enter your email address, create a password, and verify it. You also need to disclose your country. One thing that you should know, this website is not for everyone around the world. Unfortunately, this website is only available in the US, Canada, UK, and Australia. Once you enter all the needed information, just click the red sign up button, and now you can start earning just by watching videos. Now, that is not all because I promised you 2 more websites for you to earn real cash in 2022 by watching videos. But before I tell you about that, why don't you first hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and be notified for our future money-making videos by ringing the notification bell icon. Okay, on to the third website. It is called quickrewards.net. Just type this into your browser and search for it. Once you're on the homepage, you can see how you can get paid through this website. They have different payment methods, and you can get paid through completing surveys, playing games, completing offers, shopping online, and watching videos just like the other websites that I've mentioned. What's great about this website is that if you scroll down a little, you can see that you don't have to earn hundreds of dollars to redeem your earnings, but instead, you just need a single cent to redeem it. Easy peasy. To sign up, just click the blue Create Account button at the top, and you know the drill. But again, this website is only for residents of US and Canada. Nonetheless, due to the advancement and updates of websites, who knows, maybe in the future, these websites will be available to more countries in the world. You might want to save these websites, and once it becomes available in your country, you can be the first to try this out and start your money-making journey online by watching videos. Would you like to try these websites? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found value in this video and would like to know more money-making hacks online, give us a huge thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the notification bell icon. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you and your time. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money-making video.